Welcome to my course. My name is Arash and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course, you are going to build an e-commerce web application. But wait, what is an e-commerce? It refers to the purchase and sale of products and or services via internet. You can purchase books, gadgets, and other stuff that you guys love. I bet you guys already use one of the e-commerce website. I bet it is Amazon, right? There are many more e-commerce websites, but apparently I could only come up with one right now because of my short-term memory. So later on, if I forgot to write some codes, please do remind me by email or something, alright? So I'm just joking. I don't have any short-term memory, so don't worry. So basically, you are going to build an Amazon clone. Amazon is the largest e-commerce website on earth. Technically, you can purchase any goods from Amazon. Anything that you have imagined can be purchased from Amazon. And for our Amazon clone, it will have features like adding products to the website. It will have search feature. You can search any products. It will have different categories, and it will also have an instant search. Next is that it will have a cart system to hold all the products that you want to purchase. Next, it will have an authentication system. You can sign in and sign up, and you can even log in using Facebook, and that is cool. Finally, it will have a payment system. Specifically for this course, we will be using Stripe library to handle all the credit and debit transactions. But the real question is, why build this yourself? Well, if you are an entrepreneur, a developer, or a designer, first is that you learn something new. Second is that you can control your site. You don't need to depend on a third-party website like WordPress and then implement a custom WooCommerce, and at the end of the day, you don't understand anything. And third is that you understand how does everything work under the hood, from the back end to the front end. And lastly, overcome your fear of learning how to code. I know this is the scariest action to make, to learn how to code by yourself. I know I've been there before, and it is extremely frustrating to learn how to code. But don't stress out, guys, because I'm going to teach you guys step by step from how does a certain algorithm works and why does this code behave this way. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to drop me an email. So without further ado, let's go to the next lecture. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.